Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. Compact and large 6QT, premium ceramic coating, 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit precise heat for even results, up to 95% less oil, roast, bake, dry, reheat, frozen, broil, proof, 120V, turbo blaze. Special feature, temperature control, automatic shutoff, versatile cooking functions and fan speed in turbo modes and plus in-app recipes with nutrition facts and degree. Includes envelope with manual and recipe book temperature control, automatic shutoff, versatile cooking functions and fan speed in turbo modes and plus in-app recipes with Nutrit. Color, dark gray. Capacity, 6 quarts. Material, ceramic. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. COSORI's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray feature a premium ceramic coating that is non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant, improving your cooking experience. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time and deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy weekdays. The 6-quart square basket offers a wider, deeper design for family meals in one go while saving kitchen counter and storage space. Number 2. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie. Dehydrator, convection oven, 17 touchscreen presets: fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window. Color, black. Capacity, 10 quarts. Material, stainless steel. Versatile countertop cooking, air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast to crispy perfection in one convenient appliance. Cook faster, no need to preheat like traditional ovens. This all-in-one convection oven uses rapid air heating elements to cook fast, even, and crispy food. Healthy cooking made easy. Make healthy meals using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Simplified setup, anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with 17 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen. All-inclusive includes 3 airflow racks, stainless steel rotisserie oven spit with retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Family-size meals, make meals for the family with the extra-large 10-liter capacity. Also great for meal prepping large quantities of food. Monitor cooking progress, the interior lights and extra-large air fryer oven window allow you to check your food's cooking progress. Number 3. Nuwave Brio 15.5 QT Air Fryer Rotisserie Oven. X-large family size, powerful 1800W, for rack positions, 50 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit temp controls, 100 presets and 50 memory, integrated smart thermometer, linear T technology. Capacity, 15.5 quarts. Material stainless steel. 10-in-1 functionality and 100 pre-programmed menu presets. Brio provides versatile functionality: air fry, rotisserie, grill, roast, reheat, broil, defrost, dehydrate, bake, keep warm, proof. It is also programmed with 100 pre-programmed menu presets and additional 50 memory slots where you can save and recall your own favorite recipes. Perfect for busy households on the go. Large capacity for family size, features 4 rack positions and 7 cooking accessories, including reversible nonstick grill and griddle, rotisserie basket and skewer, stainless steel mesh rack and mesh tray, digital temperature probe, drip tray. The 15.5 QT large capacity makes cooking delicious meals for the entire family now easy. It's the perfect combination of large capacity and function versatility. Powerful convection fan and smokeless, Brio is an air fryer oven with a powerful 5-inch convection fan. It's top-mounted and promotes unrivaled cyclonic convection circulation for fast, even, extra crispy cooking while remaining smokeless, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Make precise adjustments on the fly and digital controls. Set cook temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. Control time and temperature anytime in the cooking process that never turns off while cooking, unlike the primitive methods that regulate temperature by turning the heater on and off. Want a hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? Simply adjust on the fly anytime. Brio's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate. Number 4. Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven with digital timer. Touchscreen and 12 presets, family-size countertop convection oven, dishwasher safe parts. Special feature capacitive touch control display, programmable. Capacity, 12 quarts. Material, aluminum, plastic. 6-in-1 air fryer, air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, roast or reheat to crispy perfection in one convenient appliance. Rotisserie chicken cooker. The stainless steel rotisserie oven spit ensures crispy air-fried skin with a fraction of the added fat. Family-sized meals. Our large-capacity 12QT air fryers has a spacious cooking interior to make delicious meals for large groups quickly. Low to high heat range. This all-in-one convection oven offers a wide temperature range from 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with rapid air heating elements. The new high fry option is the smart way to add a crisp finish when you crave that extra crunch. 12 cooking presets. Anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with 12 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen. Monitor your meal. The interior lights and extra large air fryer oven window allows you to check your food's cooking progress. Accessories includes 3 cooking racks, stainless steel rotisserie oven spit and forks, a rotisserie retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Number 5. Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer. XL8QT family size, one-touch digital control presets, French fries, chicken, meat, fish, non-stick dishwasher safe parts, automatic shutoff, stainless steel. Special feature automatic shutoff, LED shake reminder, programmable. Color, stainless steel. Capacity, 8 quarts. Material, plastic, stainless steel. Crispy and healthy. Dive into the world of our digital air fryer oven. Relish crispy delights with 98% less oil. Ideal for veggies, pizza, frozen foods, and more. A healthier choice every time. One-touch magic, large air fryer presets for fries, chicken, fish, and meat. Simplify your cooking with this stainless steel air fryer. Start your air frying adventure instantly. LED shake reminder, achieve perfection with our stainless steel air fryer. The LED alarm ensures even crispiness by reminding you to shake. Every dish evenly crisped. Precise temperatures, Air Fryer XL range from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit caters to every dish. Whether you desire less crunch or more, our Air Fryer large model has you covered. Effortless cleaning, our Air Fryer 8QT ensures cleaning is a breeze. With a dishwasher-safe basket and tray, and an easy-to-wipe exterior, maintenance is simple and quick. Intelligent shutoff, prioritizing safety, our digital air fryer pauses heating when opened and resumes when closed. It also shuts off automatically post-cooking. Family-sized quick cooking, designed for 4 to 6 people, our large air fryer gets dinner ready swiftly. Perfect for those busy evenings when time is of the essence. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.